Today, I'm going to teach you how to track account activity in Monday.com. This is incredibly useful for monitoring who's making changes to your boards, keeping your team accountable, and understanding exactly when and where updates are happening across your projects. First, you'll need to open your board in the Monday.com web version. Make sure you're logged into your account and have the specific board open that you want to track activity for. This is your starting point for accessing all the activity monitoring features Monday.com offers. Once your board is open, look up to the top right corner of your screen where you'll see three dots. Click on those three dots, and from the drop-down menu that appears, select Activity Log. This is your gateway to viewing all the changes and actions that have taken place on your board. After clicking Activity Log, you'll be presented with a comprehensive list of changes. Here you can review all the modifications made to your board, and you'll see important details like who made each change, when it happened, and exactly what was modified. This gives you complete visibility into your board's history and helps you stay informed about project developments. Now, if you're looking for something specific rather than scrolling through everything, click on Filter Log. This powerful feature allows you to narrow down the activity by specific criteria such as time periods, particular groups within your board, or even specific columns. This makes it much easier to find exactly what you're looking for without wading through irrelevant information. If you're more interested in seeing who's been viewing your board rather than who's been editing it, switch over to the Last Viewed tab. This shows you which team members have opened and looked at your board, which can be helpful for tracking engagement and making sure everyone is staying up to date with the latest information. For more detailed tracking at the item level, click on any item name to open its details. This takes you into the specific card or task you want to investigate more closely. Once the item is open, navigate to the Activity Log tab within that item. This is where you'll find a focused view of all changes made specifically to this individual item rather than the entire board. You'll see every edit, comment, and status update related to just this task. Just like with the board level activity log, you can view all the item changes here and filter them as needed. Use the same filtering options to sort by time, user, or type of change to quickly locate the specific activity you're interested in. And there you have it. You now know how to track both board level and item level activity in Monday.com, giving you complete oversight of your team's work and changes. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.